are div and span HTML elements. Now, div and span are probably the most common HTML elements from group of block and inline elements. For example, div is the most common block HTML element that we usually use to group other HTML elements inside of one block, and on that way, with div we can control or customize complete block. On the other hand, span is the most common inline HTML element that we usually use to control one part of complete line of code. So with the span, we can control or customize just one part of complete code. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.